From a novice to a legend, every story has a beginning. This is yours. You start as a newcomer, a fresh face in a world of shadows and secrets. Your job is simple, almost laughably so, deliver small packages. But every step you take is a step into the unknown. In a dimly lit alley, a shadowy figure entrusts you with a small, innocuous box. The weight of it feels heavier than it should. As you walk away, the silence of the city seems to amplify every sound. Your head is on a swivel, constantly looking over your shoulder, your heart pounding a frantic rhythm against your ribs. Every flicker of a distant light, every echo in the alley feels like a threat. This is your entry test, the first rung on a very long ladder. You are just a pawn in a much larger game, and survival is your only immediate goal. With time and successful deliveries, you earn a reputation. You're no longer the nervous rookie, you are the reliable runner. Your pace quickens, your movements become more fluid, and your confidence grows. The packages get a little bigger, the stakes a little higher. You find yourself sprinting through the city, a backpack slung over your shoulders, expertly dodging the revealing beams of streetlights. When a sudden downpour soaks you to the bone, you don't even flinch, you're focused solely on the destination. You learn to think on your feet, swiftly correcting a delivery mistake before it can escalate. You are becoming a known quantity, a dependable asset in this clandestine network. You are promoted to trader, a position that brings new responsibilities and greater risks. You are no longer just a courier, you are now entrusted with small-scale trades. Mistakes at this level are not just inconvenient, they are costly, and each one is a harsh but necessary lesson. You're set up behind a small makeshift desk, a collection of packages laid out before you. Shadowy figures approach, exchanging envelopes filled with cash for their designated parcels. Your hands move with newfound precision, carefully organizing the flow of goods and money, ensuring every transaction is accounted for. This is where you learn the true mechanics of the operation, the delicate balance of trust and currency. Soon, you graduate from managing trades to orchestrating the entire chaotic ballet of delivery. As a coordinator, your power lies in your ability to manage complexity. From a command center, you stare at a massive digital screen, a glowing map of the city crisscrossed with dozens of active routes. You are the eye in the sky, the unseen hand guiding your team. The screen splits, showing one of your messengers executing a daring parkour jump over rooftops to shave off precious seconds, while another weaves through dense, unforgiving traffic on a bike. You are the central node, processing information in real time and making split-second decisions to keep the entire network moving like a well-oiled machine. Your influence expands until the network operates like a finely tuned army, and you are its general. As the director, your decisions don't just guide, they shape the entire operation. A sudden citywide festival erupts, clogging the main thoroughfares and grinding conventional traffic to a halt. For you, it's a puzzle to be solved. From your command center, you instantly reroute dozens of messengers, diverting them through a complex web of back alleys and hidden passages you've long since memorized. Your strategic foresight turns a logistical nightmare into a demonstration of your superior control. You don't just react to the city, you make it bend to your will. You don't just manage the network, you control the city's very pulse. Supply, demand, timing. It's all part of your grand design. From the top floor of a skyscraper, you look down upon the urban sprawl, a god surveying his domain. The scene below transforms into a stunning time-lapse, the city a dark canvas streaked with brilliant lines of light. Each streak represents a delivery, a stickman in motion, a piece of your intricate plan being executed flawlessly. Thousands of them move in a symphony of efficiency, all conducted by you. The city doesn't just function, it thrives according to your grand strategy. Finally, you have reached the top. There are no more ranks to climb, no more promotions to earn. You stand on a high-rise balcony, the city lights twinkling below like a fallen constellation. You watch the ceaseless, efficient work of countless messengers, your messengers, as they carry out your will. You plan, you direct, and the market itself shifts and moves in response to your choices. You are the architect of this invisible empire, the silent ruler of the city's hidden currents. You have made it. You are alone on a rooftop, the city skyline stretching out before you under a blanket of stars. The feeling of power is intoxicating, a quiet hum beneath your skin. But with that power comes a responsibility heavier than any package you ever carried. You built this world, and now its weight rests entirely on your shoulders. From a pawn to a king, every rank tells a story.